Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create purchase orders in Zoho Books. This feature streamlines your procurement process by allowing you to formally request goods from vendors while keeping everything organized in one place. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, log in using your Zoho Books credentials to access your account dashboard. Before we can start creating purchase orders, we need to make sure this feature is actually enabled in your account settings. Look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll spot a gear icon. This is your settings menu, so go ahead and click on it. From the settings menu that appears, locate the section labeled Setup and Configuration and select General from the available options. Under the General Configuration page, you'll find an option specifically for purchase orders. Click on its checkbox to enable this feature, then hit Save to confirm your changes. Now that the feature is active, let's head back to your dashboard to start creating your first purchase order. On the left sidebar menu, click on Purchases. This opens up all your procurement-related options. From the Purchases submenu, select Purchase Orders. You'll be taken to a page displaying all your existing purchase orders, if you have any. To create a new one, click the plus New button located at the top right corner of the screen. Now you'll see the purchase order creation form. Start by selecting your vendor name from the drop-down list. If you're working with a new supplier, you can add them directly from this screen. Next, select or manually enter the delivery address where you want the goods shipped. This ensures your vendor knows exactly where to send the items. The system automatically generates a purchase order number, but you can customize this if your business follows a specific numbering system. Set both the order date and expected delivery date to keep your timeline clear for both you and your vendor. Now comes the important part, adding your items. You can select products from your existing inventory or add new items on the fly. For each item, enter the quantity you need and the rate you've agreed upon with your vendor. If there are any special instructions, discount terms, or documents your vendor needs to see, use the Notes, Terms and Conditions, or Attachments sections to include those details. Finally, you have two options to complete the process. Click Save if you want to keep this as a draft for review later, or click Save and Send to immediately email the purchase order to your vendor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.